Next, night SKY November 2006. The stars are clear over a quiet suburban neighborhood in the United States. Suddenly, a massive, glowing object appears on the horizon. A huge spacecraft, silent and immense, descending slowly into Earth's atmosphere. Cut to, and White House Situation Room Night. President Elena Harris 50s. Strong, composed stares at multiple screens showing radar data and live feeds. President Harris urgent. What the hell is that? Military? Russian? Chinese? General Mark 60s. Grizzled negative. Madam President, it's not matching any known aircraft. Size is enormous. Bigger than any carrier. No hostile maneuvers yet. Scientist Dr. Amara Singh 40s. Astrophysicist. It's decelerating perfectly. This isn't natural. We're looking at extraterrestrial technology. Cut to New York City Times Square night. Crowds gather. Phones up. Filming the sky as the massive ship hovers high above. Lights pulsing softly. Panic starts to build. Screams, people running. News anchor on giant screens. Breaking news, an unidentified object has entered Earth's atmosphere. Governments worldwide are monitoring. Stay calm. Cut to, and NASA control room. Houston scientists cheer and gasp as signals come in. Technician were receiving a transmission. It's structured, mathematical sequences. Then, language patterns. Drive. SINGH5 video link play it. A calm, ethereal voice broadcast globally translated in subtitles. Alien voice people of Earth. We come in peace. We have observed your world for centuries. The time for isolation is over. We are the Zorathians. We seek dialogue. Cut to United Nations New York. Next day. World leaders assemble emergency session. The ship hovers nearby, visible through windows. President Harris addressing the assembly. This is the most profound moment in human history. We must unite. No panic. No aggression. A smaller shuttle descends from the mothership, landing on a prepared site. Cut to landing site. Day-armed guards surround the area. The shuttle door opens. 3 tall, humanoid aliens emerge. Slender, glowing skin, large eyes, peaceful demeanor. Alien leader telepathic voice. Calm. We bring knowledge. Medicine that cures your diseases. Energy that ends your wars over resources. But we ask for friendship. Your planet is in peril. Climate, conflict. We can help. If you choose unity. Dr. SINGH approaching cautiously. Why now? Alien leader. You are ready. Your technology has advanced. Your voices call to the stars. Baba Vanga spoke truth. Contact in this year. Reactions. All. Fear. Hope. Montage. World news. Stock markets crash then recover. Religions debate. Scientists collaborate. Protests. Some fear invasion. Others celebrate. Positive changes. Aliens share tech. Clean energy prototypes. Medical breakthroughs. Cut to and private meeting. Alien leader and President Herzeline leader. There are others watching. Not all benevolent. Unity will protect you. President.